Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.